This absolutely stunning puzzle box is designed to hold a deck of cards, and I will show you how to solve it in this video. This puzzle was designed by Jeroen Kruid from the Netherlands and made by Puzzle Guy. Difficulty level of the King of Spades puzzle box is 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal is obviously to open the puzzle box. There is a heart-shaped symbol here, there are other card symbols on all sides, and if you take a closer look, you will see that this one moves a little bit as well, and this one moves, and this one moves as well, but the rest, they don't move. If you like the King of Spades puzzle box and you wanna buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. So first of all, you have to take a look at these parts since they move, and you move it to the right. Then you move the entire panel. It was locking the panel, so now you can move it. Then you move this part again and move the panel again. Now you rotate to the other side. This one, even though it moves, it's fake. This one on this side also, it moves a little bit, but it is fake as well. So you have to move here again. You move one step, then move the panel, then move one more step and move the panel. Now what you can do is to rotate this part with the dragon 90 degrees. Here you can move the red panel now, then this red panel goes down like that. And what you can do now is to move the top cover and the puzzle is solved. You reveal the compartment, which can hold a deck of cards. If you like the King of Spades puzzle box and you want to buy it or you want to try some other amazing puzzle boxes, go to puzzlemaster.ca.